This is how you can convert your online Scratch project into a .exe file. This is extremely useful when you'd like to share the output of your project in a professional format, or if you just don't want someone who's viewing your project to be able to see your code. Here's my Geometry Dash project completely ready for conversion. First, download your project as a .sb3 and save it in a convenient location. I'll keep it in this particular folder. Next, visit the URL packager.turbowarp.org on your browser. After the page loads, select the option File and choose the one that you just created. A new list of options should drop down below this, and I'd recommend keeping pretty much all of these options as they are. For the environment, choose Electron Windows if you have Windows, and if you have a Mac, then click on Other Environments and choose Electron Mac OS. Within the application settings, change the package name to your project. This is what your .exe file will eventually be called. After this, click Package and download as a zip file. Once this has been downloaded, navigate your files and extract it to whichever folder you please. Now go into the same folder and select the .exe file. This should give you the .exe output, and you should be able to run your project the same way you used to. Super useful, especially when you just want to show the project output to someone like a friend.